Hello and welcome to today's video. As I was sitting here editing the video that you were about to watch, I realized I had not done an intro, so that is why I'm in the same clothes as the outro. But I just wanted to say hello, welcome, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoy this jumble of home projects that we've been doing the past 2 weeks. I think these kinds of videos are really fun to watch, so if you clicked on it, I hope you do too, and I hope you subscribe. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Started painting the kitchen last night. Probably only gonna get this wall and maybe this wall painted today, but just thought I'd make a little progress on it before we can actually start renovating the whole kitchen. So yes, little bit by little bit, getting some stuff done. So I look a mess today, but I just thought I would throw this clip in whatever vlog I do next. But I thought I would show you guys some projects that I want to do so that it's like a before and after, since we have kind of a lot of projects, little and big, that we want to do to this house. So the first one is obviously the kitchen. Don't mind the wiggles in the background, it's the little boy babysit. We want to trim out the cabinets and then paint them all white and add black hardware, which also means we will have to change the hinges. And then another project that's a little smaller is the pantry. I want to make it a little more organized. I have all these jars that my mother-in-law found for me at a garage sale, and I painted all of the tops black. As you can see, missed a spot. So that's a smaller project. I've semi-started, kind of just went through it and did a little bit. That's why it's a little messy here. Another thing that's also in the kitchen is we want to take these cabinets out, take this out, and take this cabinet out and do open shelving. We would do open shelving from here to the door and then from there to there. The only problem is, which might be too big of a problem, is that they connect all the way through. So not sure if that one's gonna be possible, but we're definitely taking this one out and of course that, and doing open shelving here, maybe adding some open shelving here. I've halfway painted this wall, as I showed you earlier, and didn't have putty, so used toothpaste and then couldn't finish because, oh, that's my timer for my lunch. Another little thing that I'm doing, blue, is spray painting things. So they left these curtain rods here and they were silver-ish before, and I spray painted them black to save us money. Blue, back away. So that's one thing. Don't mind the sound of the wiggles, like I said, little boy on the couch. We want to do a picture ledge here, 2 of them, I think, blue lining. So that's why these are sitting here. I think that's what I'm gonna use, and we want to do that. And then here we want an entryway table. I actually already ordered one on Amazon, so stay tuned to see that. But that's where the mirror is gonna go above there, the record player, all that. And then this, we think we want to hang in the hall bath, which I'll show you also. The hall bath is something that kind of needs a lot of work still. Pathetic little light. We need a new light there, a new light here. We want a new vanity, and we eventually want to put in a new shower because those cabinets, all that is kind of a mess, and the ceiling also still needs painted, but I am just a horrible painter, so I've been kind of waiting for someone to help me, but I think I just need to do it myself. I am the worst DIYer though, so I struggle to do these things, and any wood projects like the shelves and stuff, I need Adam's help for, so that's more of a weekend project. Hold on, I need to go take care of Blue. Sorry about that, had to go take care of Blue. I don't remember what I was saying. So a lot of projects I can't do without Adam's help, and he's very busy with work. So I need to learn patience. And yeah, stay tuned for the afters. Hopefully for you it's real quick in this video, but for me, I'm just hoping it's before I want to decorate for Christmas. So stay tuned. Hello, so there's a few home updates that I have for you guys. First of all, mirror is now on the wall. I don't think I vlogged this, but we got a console table, so this is set up for now. And my new rug just came, and I'm very excited. Boys are excited too. Little boy babysit. Blue, Blue. Yes, so I'm just gonna set this up. It's so much bigger than the rug that we had here before, so I'm very excited. I just vacuumed up the area and now I'm going to lay it out, and I thought the vlog would want to see because I love seeing stuff like that. So, Blue, leave him alone. Here is the rug. Isn't she beautiful? So I got this from Boutique Rugs online. I don't know, a Facebook ad caught my attention. I've now seen a lot of other people talking about it. But yeah, it was 60% off, so it was a really good deal, and I'm pretty cheap. And this rug is high quality. Let me tell you, so soft, so nice, and really fast shipping. So check them out. So we've got some nice weather today, so I decided it's time to paint the chairs. This is what they looked like, or look like, 3 of them still. I just finished painting the first one and I had to show you guys how great does that look. 1 can of spray paint. The spindles are freaking annoying on the legs. But there she is. So 3 more to go. Today might be the last warm weather day, so you know what we're doing. Christmas lights on our own house, and I'm drinking iced coffee because it's so nice. And Blue's being a little bit annoying. A little sneak peek at our Christmas lights. It's still kind of daylight, but Adam did it and he's a pro. So I don't think I showed you guys a before picture, but I'll insert one here, and this is what it's looking like now. So Adam and I are just gonna work on this. He's doing the tabletop and I'm gonna sand and paint the legs. So we're staining or polyurethane the top.
Refinish the top and then paint the sides here and the legs.
Yep.
Paint
So
them black like the chairs.
Yep. So we're gonna work on that now. All right, you guys ready to see the finished product of the dining room table that Adam did such a good job on? Blue, I know you're ready. Ta-da! Doesn't it look so good? So eventually he's gonna make a bench for right here, and then these will go on either end, but it looks good like this too. So now all we need to do in here, he also hung this light, which is great. All of these were Facebook Marketplace finds, so don't diss it. You can redo things and save a lot of money. So this full set cost us $100. So just amazing. And that light was $20 when at our local hardware store it is, sorry, it's not focusing, like $78 or something. Anyways, I still need to hang stuff in here, so it's not fully done, but yeah. Also, I wanted to show you guys that I did finish painting the kitchen. So all the walls are now white and it is magical. Down here was not painted. Don't mind the mess. We're doing some Christmas boxes for church. That is going to be backsplash. So that is why that's not painted, and it's the same on this side. But yeah, I did get that done. And one other thing, I also painted the bathroom ceiling, and we're gonna add trim up here eventually. So don't mind the spots that I, got, but we did that, and we're eventually going to hang these things in here. How funny is this? Hello. You can't see me. Hello. But yeah, Blue, come on. He just got a bath, so this is pretty much his bathroom. So I think that is where I'm going to close out this vlog. Stay tuned for more home updates. We have more we want to do, and Christmas decorating is going to be happening soon. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.